Hello, people of the internet. I am going to show you what I did last night. I made a library that displays text in a delayed manner, similar to if someone was typing it. And it's a fairly small library here. Has display message, which most of this is comments. It's only about 20 lines of code or so, probably less if I stripped out all of the comments. But this displays character by character, and it gives a delay, and it gives a extra delay on commas and a higher delay on periods. So it's sort of like someone is actually, doing it with grammar though, like you would be talking or something like that. I have my messages here. Each line will be on its own line in the terminal, and there will be the appropriate delays. I do not have to set those. This little display messages does that for me. And so I'll do a couple run-throughs here and show you what it says, because you can see here on the lib messages it says a few different things depending on what you say, and I kind of have a little bit of interaction in there. This is just kind of like a demo of like the first starting of kind of how I want my operating system to be. So we will run our lib install, which is this one here, which is the one that actually does this stuff. The other two are just libraries. And you see it actually scrolls the text, and there's pauses, and it gives you time to read. It's not really a wall of text coming at you. I purposely designed it so it wasn't a wall of text coming at you, because I don't really think that is how things should be. They shouldn't be a wall of text coming at you. That makes it hard to comprehend what needs to be done and things like that. So I want it to be very interactive and like kind of show you and teach you and stuff like that, and entertaining as well. There's parts in here that I should probably like tweak and add some spacing and stuff like that, but that's okay. That's very, very easy to do. For instance, we saw that there, and if I wanted to go to lib messages, and I wanted to put a break here, I put a space, and if I want to put a break here, I put another space, save it, run it, and it's going through the same thing again, but that's because the lib Orbos, or the lib install portion, it's not really very buff right now. It's just kind of very, very limited in the logic. So let's go yes again. Oops. Let's go yes again. And you'll see that there's some different spacing in there this time. So let's go through quick and check out the other two current options, just to kind of see where it's going to go a little bit. It's nothing really fancy right now, but it'll be fun building stuff to come. So if I say no, I get, so you have experience in the ways. And so we'll let this go through one more time, and I'll say something else to the system. I don't know. I just don't know. And it says it doesn't understand that. It's a pity, and it drops out. So yeah, that is the libtext stuff and like kind of starter installer stuff that I've been working on. It's going to be that sort of style. I would have liked to have had a lot more done, but I guess you get to see the progress in how things are built. This was today's programming progress of the day, or of whatever. I guess of the day is fine. I don't think I'll do these dailies. I don't know if I will. Depends on if I have interesting stuff to tell you guys or not. But yeah, I think that is getting to be a long enough video. Go ahead and hit that follow button. Like the video if you like it. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this little like preview tech demo that it took me like a day to make. Yeah, tell me what you think, if you think that would be interesting to have your system kind of ask you these questions and you work with it and it kind of helps you build a system.